going to a different economy, and we're going to be learning more about that as we go. But clearly, we're learning that things can be done from remote locations. We're learning that technology can replace people even more than we thought.
We're not going back to the same economy. We're recovering, but to a different economy, and it'll be one that is more leveraged to technology. And I worry that that is going to make it even more difficult than it was for many workers.
In Silicon Valley, and my friends who work in technology know that what we did to the manufacturing workers, we are now going to do to the retail workers, the call center workers, the fast food workers, the truck drivers, and then even bookkeepers, accountants, insurance agents, lawyers, and on through the economy. So what happened to the manufacturing workers is a very clear sign.
This effort. And China has big plans for this. They intend to seed their digital yuan into the global environment by giving it away to visitors at next winter's Olympics. When they arrive at the airport, they're going to get yuan digital wallets. They're going to receive digital yuan. They're going to use it throughout their visits to Beijing, and then they're going to take it back to their home countries. They see this as a huge advantage. Why? Because who controls the underlying protocols, who controls the underlying standards of the future of money will control the future of money.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher Stock Channel. And guys, please like and subscribe if you do like what you're listening to. Please inform your friends and family and spread all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that everything is planned out. And of course, guys, we get into the funny articles first. We have Bank of America says it's going to boost its minimum wage to $25 by 2025. And by 2025, guys, we know the fourth industrial revolution will be here. Algorithms, AI, robots are going to be doing the majority of their jobs. That's the reason why they're saying by 2025. And then also, guys, we have the Fed cautions about inflation pressure. We know those last 3 months are going to roll off, so we know inflation is going to go up. And we also are going to see higher yields June and July. And remember, the crypto teacher told you. But it's not going to hit the stock market that bad, because what are they doing right now? They're pricing it already in. We know how the Fed works. That's the reason why we're having a pullback in cryptos, that big pullback in cryptos. And it's only been a slightly pullback in stocks. But we know Janet Yellen's general fund, that money runs out next month. Now we have Yellen pushes for higher taxes and then also stronger unions, more global competition in U.S. chamber. So guys, we know higher taxes. We know the corporations are not going to do that. They're going to pass it off to us. We know when it comes to unions, they don't want to pay great pay. We understand. We know this. China has unions, guys. We know in America when it comes to union, it means great pay, great benefits. With the fourth industrial revolution, that's the reason why I play that video all the time in every single video with Jerome saying that a lot of people are going to be left behind due to technology. That's the reason why they're going to be able to airdrop them free money in order to control chaos, and that free money has an agenda. If you have my book, the New World Order book, you know when it came to Wayfair what that agenda was. Now we have Shopify and Google partner, and if you play around with search engines, guys, you see more and more control, but basically their products are going to be more discoverable on Google, which should be legal, because if I'm a smaller competitor, that means I'm not going to be seen unless I partner up with one of these big corporations. Now we have JP Morgan says big institutions are dumping Bitcoin and buying gold. And here we go again, guys. Do not fall for this. Remember, I always tell you to stay diversified, but they want to hit you with the Hegelian dialectic. We know these robots, these drones, even Domino's has a commercial now where the robot is delivering the pizza. We know that eventually we're going to be paying these robots, and they're going to need cryptos because that's the only way they can be paid. The fourth industrial revolution is being built on blockchain and tokenized. Remember, all stocks are going to be fractional stocks and it's going to be on blockchain, tokenized. Tell your friends and family that Crypto Teacher advised you. Now we have Walmart doubling down on rollbacks as inflation pushes prices higher. And guys, do not forget, when we look at Walmart, you had so many mom and pops before Walmart came. Walmart just destroyed any community that you may have. And if you go back, you look at how it was done, how the New World Order did it. Because what they did was they bought in Walmart. Walmart sold you some cheaper goods, little cheaper prices, and you went to Walmart. And the mom and pop shop, yes, they may have had higher quality. The prices were a little higher. You went to Walmart instead. Now we're starting to see Walmart, Target. They're so expensive, you wish you had mom and pop. Because now you don't even know where the meat is coming from. You know they sell GMO products. But now in a lot of places, they're your only choice. So when it comes to Target stock, Walmart stock, guys, you know it's going to be reliable. They don't have any competition. When the C word came, they were the only ones open. That's the reason why you definitely should have benefited. Remember the stocks I went over at the beginning of the year. Go back and see how they performed because they were the only game in town. Now we have ARK invests $20 million in Grayscale Ethereum Trust. And remember, Ethereum smart contracts is going to change everything that we do in life, especially if it has anything to do with a contract. And then plus, guys, we have Cathie Woods buying at the top of Coinbase. The reason why it doesn't matter, because Cathie Woods knows. Everything in her investments, 90% of them is about innovation. She's looking at 3, 5, 10 years from now. And that's exactly what you should be doing. That's called investing and not betting. So yes, it may look like she's buying Coinbase at the top, but believe me, once they turn this fourth industrial revolution on, Coinbase stock is definitely going back up. And we have Robinhood's IPO revealed, so they're definitely going public. And then lastly, guys, we go over the indicators. We had the dollar down, the VIX up. We had treasuries up, but then they drop. If they stay at this level, then we know we're going back up. And you can look in the stock market at the beginning of the day, and we started to see yields drop, and then we started to see stocks make up for the losses. So guys, believe me, the indicators are always going to show you which way the market is going. And guys, we have Zuckerberg, Jack Dorsey, and 18 other billionaires lead massive stock sales. Remember, I told you I'm definitely going to do a detailed video into that. We know they have to destroy this old economy, this legacy economy, in order to bring us up to this blockchain, crypto, robots, AI, drones. They have to kill the old one in order to bring in the new one. And guys, that's all I have for you. Don't forget to go to the main channel, Crypto Teacher. Like, subscribe, learn the new economy, blockchain. Also this channel. Like, subscribe, spread everywhere. Y'all have a wonderful day.